Alright, so in this part here, what we're going to be doing is borrowing again from fractions. However, this time we already have part of a fraction here. So we know we're going to be dealing with thirds. And again, we're going to borrow off of the 4 and make it a 3. And then we're going to add 3/3 back to this. So now we have 1/3 plus 3/3, which is going to give us 4/3. And we're just going to bring this over. We're going to say take away 2/3. And then that's going to leave us with 2/3. Now, if we say 3, take away 1, that's going to give us 2. So 2 and 2/3 would be the answer. So, like I said before in previous videos, whenever you borrow from a fraction, you're not borrowing 10 like you normally would and put 11 here. You're borrowing whatever the number is at the bottom, whatever your denominator is. You're borrowing a whole set of that. Okay, so we'll do one more. So this time we know that 3 can't take away 4, so we're going to borrow. We're going to make this a 4, and then we're going to add in, this time we've got fifths, so we're going to add in 5/5. And 3 plus 5 gives us 8. So now we have 8/5. And we're going to take away our 4/5 here over on the side. And then 8 take away 4 is 4, so we're left with 4/5 as our fraction part of it. And then we can make over here 4 take away 2, we've got 2. And always make sure that you double check just to be certain that this number can't be reduced. We know that 4 and 5 doesn't have anything in common, so that is in the lowest term. Because if you don't have this in the lowest term, you'll still miss the problem. Okay, so that's how you do these types of problems. Like I said, just remember when you borrow, when it's already got something here, you add those two together. You add that whole group. So here we added 3/3 and here we added 5/5. This problem you would add 6/6 when you borrow off of that. Here you would add 4/4 to the 1/4. You would add 8/8 to this 3/8. And 9/9 to this 9 whenever you borrow. Okay?